In this video, we are discussing about the structural components of COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus which infect human and cause respiratory problems. Severe respiratory problem is produced by the infection of this virus, and ultimately patients are died. If not getting the proper treatment. So this is a very dangerous virus, and there is no treatment against this virus. However, medical professionals are managing the health situation of COVID-19 infected persons around the globe. Anyway, this has become pandemic since November or December last year. The infection of this virus had started from China, and as of now it has spreaded all around the world and infected approximately 2 crores of people around the world, as reported by the World Health Organization. According to World Health Organization, more than 7 lakhs patients of COVID-19 have died as on August 8, 2020. You can see here in this bar diagram, United States of America is the most affected country. Thereafter, the most infected country is India, where the 22 lakh 88,611 active patients have been reported, including 42,518 deaths of COVID-19 patients. So this virus started infecting from China, has spread around the world and challenged the entire health system. There is no effective medicine. There is no vaccine against this virus. However, health professionals are treating the patients of COVID-19. In this video, we are discussing the structural components of this virus. This COVID-19 is a RNA virus. And what is RNA virus? Those viruses containing the genetic material as RNA is known as RNA viruses. One second. What is RNA viruses? Viruses which contain RNA as their genetic material is known as RNA viruses. And RNA or the genetic material of any organism contain entire genetic information to constitute or to produce that organism. In the case of this RNA virus, that is the COVID-19, RNA is the genetic material. This RNA contain all genetic information to reproduce or to constitute new viral particle. And this RNA virus contain a spike protein which is protruding from the main body of virus outside the virus. A spike protein, what is a spike protein? A spike protein is a structural protein which is located on the surface of this viral particle or this virus, which is responsible or which has affinity to get attached with the host cell. After getting attached with the host cell, virus inject their genetic material into the host cell, and the genetic material entered in the host cell. In the case of this COVID-19, RNA is the genetic material, and whenever viral particle get attached with the host cell, this RNA get entered in the host cell and hijack the protein synthesizing machinery of the host cell and produce all required biomolecules for the production of a new particle, a new viral particle. So, here in this virus, a spike protein, envelope protein, membrane protein, nucleocapsids, and these are the structural proteins of this virus. For architecture or for the architecture of a new viral particle, these all structural proteins are required for assembly of new virus, meaning thereby for production of new viruses, these all structural proteins are required. One more proteins are found in this virus is hemagglutinin esterase. So, how this virus produce or reproduce inside the host cell? We know RNA is the genetic material of this virus. RNA contain entire genetic information to produce all required structural protein for assembly of new viral particles. The mechanism, infective strategy of this virus include the attachment of virus with the host cell. In the case of human, this virus infect the lung. Lungs contain alveolar cell. There are a large number of alveoli cells present in our lungs. So whenever this virus get entered inside the lungs, virus attached with alveolar cell and alveolar cell and uh, through plasma membrane of the alveolar cell, this virus inject their genetic material, that is RNA, inside this cell. That RNA hijacked the protein synthesizing machinery of alveolar cell, and all required structural components of coronavirus get synthesized. After getting synthesized, the all required structural proteins of coronavirus, the structural protein get assembled to new virus. So this is the infective strategy and reproduction of new coronaviruses. And after producing more and more viral particles, alveolar cells get damaged, and there is a sharp depletion or sharp decrease in the oxygen supply of the body, because lungs is the site in our body for supplying oxygen through respiratory process. So after infection of this virus, there is the respiratory problem created by this virus. Due to respiratory problems, our body do not get sufficient concentration of oxygen for cellular respiration. So problem started at the level of cellular function of entire body. This is the this is the infective strategy, but our motto of this video to understand the structural protein or structural component of this virus and the infective strategy. This is the introductory part uh, of the infective strategy or pathophysiology of this viral disease, which include the structural components of this virus. These structural components include nucleocapsid, spike protein, envelope protein, membrane protein, hematoglutinin esterase, and other molecular biology of this virus and molecular pathophysiology will be discussed in our next coming video. So I thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, you can subscribe my channel and like, share and click the bell icon for all new notification. Thank you for watching this video.